Today we are going to be learning about the 4 layers of the rainforest. Here is a map of the world showing where all the rainforests are located. We are going to be focusing on South America and the rainforests located there. Here is a picture of our rainforest that we are going to be studying. We are going to start at the bottom layer, which is called the forest floor. It is dark, damp, full of many dead leaves, twigs, and vines. The forest floor is dark due to the trees above stopping the sunlight from entering the forest. Jaguars tend to roam the forest floor. The understory is the layer above the forest floor. It contains many vines and a lot of plants, which is also called vegetation. However, there isn't much light that shows through. Monkeys like to swing from the vines that this layer offers, but you will also see them in the next layer of the rainforest. The next layer of the rainforest is called the canopy. This layer includes many green leaves and branches. Much of the rain is stopped by all the thick leaves. And finally, the tallest layer of the rainforest is called the emergent layer. Not many trees get to this layer because it takes so long for them to grow. This layer is very sunny because it is at the top. The most common animal that lives here are birds. And there you have it. You just learned about the 4 layers of the rainforest: the forest floor, the understory, the canopy, and the emergent layer.